Hello everybody, good afternoon. Fan Man Steve 1989, or Fan Man Steve the Fan Man 89, whatever it is that you want to call me. It is Saturday, July the 30th. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. This is a quick video of two of my air conditioners running on a hot summer day. This is a modern GE air conditioner, and we were having some issues with this, but it looks like everything is working well now. The radiator is kind of freezing over. It had some frost built up there in the middle. We're not exactly sure what that's all about, but we've got it cleaned up and everything. I guess everything seems to be working properly. It's putting out cold air. There is the settings. It's the power. It has the settings mode. There's the speed. And even it's even Wi-Fi operated. There's the filter and there's the timer. This is the front cover to it. It's a little dirty. There's the GE insignia. Have a look from the back here. I'm gonna make another video on this. Go back here and I'll give you a look at my my old Haier air conditioner. Okay, and this is a Haier. I do believe this is an older one. Here are the settings. It even has settings for the filter. There's a dehumidifier and the temperature timer. This has some really cool features on it. And it's blowing right now at 64 degrees Fahrenheit. This hasn't been cleaned in a while, but I'll give it about another week before I have to clean it again. We run these pretty much constantly. There is the power cord to it. So yeah, these are my two air conditioners here, running on a hot summer day. We still run our fans throughout the day too. There's my old Galaxy there. There's my old Patton. I'll get another video on these, and I will do one at a time. Hope that you've enjoyed the video. More videos to come, and bye bye.